Boeing 707, a jumbo jet that can carry 240 passengers and crew, is on final approach. But suddenly, the giant aircraft veers out of control. The jetliner explodes on impact, bursting into a massive fireball as it rockets down the tarmac to a blazing stop. Miraculously, no one is killed in this horrifying accident, and no one is even injured. That's because this jumbo jet was crashed on purpose. Edwards Air Force Base, California. The Federal Aviation Administration has teamed with NASA to test a new fuel additive designed to reduce the threat of fire in the event of a crash. The plane is filled with test dummies and is guided by remote control. Air Force veteran Fitz Fulton is the pilot for this uniquely challenging mission.
I've never had any desire to crash an airplane. I've spent my whole career trying to avoid that.
Using cockpit cameras and a computer-guided tracking system, Fitz will steer the aircraft from takeoff to its ultimate crash landing. Rocks placed on the tarmac will generate sparks as these jagged steel cutters rip through the jet's fuel tanks. The command is given. Fitz guides the aircraft as it takes off and reaches an altitude of 2,000 feet. Then he controls the plane on its descent to the hazardous runway below. The left wing strikes the ground first as the jet swerves and erupts into flames. Watch again as a wing cutter punctures the tank, releasing fuel and igniting the explosion. Back at Mission Control, experts are disappointed that the special fuel has caused such an enormous blaze.
There was some thought that with that kind of fuel, you'd have less of a fireball.
But despite the explosion, the experiment is a success. That's because, though intense, the fire never reached the dummies inside the cabin. The cost of this crash test was $12 million. But the lives it will save are priceless.